Welcome to Hello Kitty World. Hi. Hi. Have you named the cat yet? Not yet. What about the name Mimi? Great! I am thinking of going to the forest. Why? Because I love adventures. Okay. Hey, wait for me! Day 1, Day 2, Day 3. I am tired. Let's go home. Bye. Bye. My Melody is always late. Mimi, where are you going? Hello Kitty, where are you? What were you doing? I was catching the cat.